Let's see how we can create the DNA test trend video on TikTok. So if you see a lot of these videos where we have this DNA test filter applied, and you want to create one to share with your friends and family members, then follow my steps, because I'm going to show you how you can get this filter in just a couple of simple steps. The first step that we want to do is to go over to our App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that your TikTok application is updated to the latest version. This is a new filter, so make sure to update TikTok. And if your app is updated, you can open it and then click on the little magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen in order to open our TikTok search. We want to type DNA test filter and then search for it. You will get a couple of different filters in the search results, and we want to click on this DNA test right here. If you don't see this filter in the search results, then maybe the filter is not available for your region currently. TikTok rolls out some filters for some countries at first, but for other countries at a later time. So if you don't see the filter, it's probably not available for your region, and you will have to wait a little bit more. If you see this specific filter, then you can click on the video icon, and that's going to open our TikTok camera with the filter applied. You can then record yourself or someone else, and the filter will start analyzing the face, and it will give you the results. And that's how you can easily create this trending DNA test video for TikTok or Instagram Reels. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a comment on this video, and I will see you in the next one.